guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe for more videos like this. Today I am reviewing this Janet Collection Lynette 13x6 melted lace wig. You guys, this wig is everything. It is the perfect summer wig. This color is everything. I got it in the color Toffee Cream. Here's the card here that it came with. I am ready for the summer, you guys. We can't go anywhere because of COVID, but I'm gonna look good no matter what, all right? It doesn't say how long it is. It just talks about the parting space, which is amazing, but I just want to talk about the length. This hair, you guys, literally, it's so long. Like, it's really, really long. What I did when I customized, I'm gonna show you guys in a second, but I did go ahead and customize this and flattened the hairline at the top near my middle part. At the top, it has dark roots. It goes into like a nice ash blonde, and at the bottom, it gets lighter like this. I don't have much else to say about this hair. Like, I think I completely laid this wig. It wasn't hard. I think this wig would be great for beginners. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe while you watch me customize this wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. This is what I used on my baby hairs. I used the olive oil edge control. It looks like this. It's just in the green tube. As you guys can see, I use it a lot. It's almost gone. So much hair. I want the top to be flatter, so I'm going to take some mousse. This is a really quick and easy way to get your synthetic wigs flatter when you don't want to use heat on them. Like, so if it's a curly wig or something like that, it's literally so easy, you guys. Just use mousse and it's gonna go flat really fast. Right after you put mousse on, I say go into your part with some powder because it sticks to the lace even better. Do you guys see how flat it is now? Okay, you guys, so this here is the wig. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to where you can buy this wig. And yeah, guys, I love this hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.